Well, here's a little bit of a little thing I rigged up, a little tester for this pressure switch. You can hear this in my mouth. I got the hose of it in my mouth. You hear. Let me see if I can. As you see, there's nothing here, and then I go. Took a battery charger for a car, hooked it up with the wires, hooked it up with this light that goes to a car, and did a test on it. So it's not the pressure switch. We'll see what it is, but just want to show everybody my little invention thing I did here. All right. Hopefully we can get this working today since the furnace is screwed up. Talk to y'all later.